And I'm terrified of what you'll think when you see the me that no one sees, when you see the things I keep left in the door. And I'm terrified of what you'll find when you hear the thoughts that on my mind, the monster that I keep inside my head. And I swear I'm not okay, although I try to force a smile. I swear I'm not okay. This thing is taking over. Someone get me mental help. I'm concerned about my mental health. I think a lot about you. The wolf is raging on inside my. Someone save me from myself. I'm concerned about my mental health. I think a lot about you. The wolf is raging on inside my head. And I'm scared to death of what you'll think of me when I break down and start to scream. I'm not okay, I'm not okay. I wish these thoughts would go away. I got a couple pills that I could take and it would break my heart, but that's okay, cause everything would go away. And I swear I'm not okay, although I try to force a smile. I swear I'm not okay. Thing is taking over. Someone get me mental help. I'm concerned about my mental health. I think a lot about you. The wolf is raging on inside my. Someone save me from myself. I'm concerned about my mental health. I think a lot about you. The wolf is raging on inside my. Go away, go away. Come again another day. Go away, go away. Come again another day. Go away, go away. Come again another day. Go away, go away. Come again another. Someone get me mental help. I'm concerned about my mental health. I think a lot about you. The wolf is raging on inside my. Someone save me from myself. I'm concerned about my mental health. I think a lot about you. The wolf is raging on inside my head. Sweet. Oh, I love you too. So this next song, I love you too. You guys are sweet.
I love Tyler more.
So this next song, I don't know if you guys know, but when I was 16, I dropped out of high school because I got picked on. You guys get picked on in high school? Anybody? Yeah, high school. High school's pretty shitty. So I got picked on a lot, and I don't know. I dropped out, and then I realized people still suck outside of school. Not everybody, but the majority of the population. Let's talk about the song about it. It's called Flower Child. Well, when you're too cool for school, you gotta play by the rules. Yeah, you can call yourself a hipster, but they don't care for rock and roll. So try as you need, but they ain't easy to please. They'll drive you wild. Oh, flower child of the new generation. Flower child of the new generation. I've been walking around wondering what in the hell is up with the world, and where did we go wrong? I don't need my education to see that when you're too cool for school, you gotta play by the rules. Yeah, you can call yourself a hipster, but they don't care for rock and roll. So try as you need, but they ain't easy to please. They'll drive you wild. Oh, flower child of the new generation. Flower child of the new generation. I've been stumbling around, dazed and confused, smoking the green to take away my blues. If you use imagination, you'll see that when you're too cool for school, you gotta play by the rules. Yeah, you can call yourself a hipster, but they don't care for rock and roll. So try as you need, but they ain't easy to please. They'll drive you wild. Oh, flower child of the new generation. Flower child of the new generation. I'm almost falling. Huh?
Cat says hi. Can you touch your elbow?
Cat says hi?
Cat says hi.
Okay, I said hi.
Try it.
Wait, was that Sadie?
Yes.
Hi, Sadie.
Hi. My hero.
Hero? Oh, what?
My hero.
I'm gonna steal my wallet. I'm setting it here. Don't steal it. It's kind of heavy. It's kind of loaded. So I'm just kidding. Alright. So, this next song? It's kind of weird. I read about this chick that she was a cat. So that was kind of weird. And I asked her what she wanted for Christmas, and she told me Friskies. So that was kind of awkward. So yeah. Anyways, I left her. So it's called The Stray. Never felt so alone, I've never been so cold, I never lost my way on my way back home, but I went and picked up a stray and got asked to stay. I should've let you go, I should've walked away, cause everybody knows that everybody goes away. Everybody knows that everybody goes away. I don't like to be the boy you fell in love with, cause you ain't mean this at all. And I don't like to be the one that built your heart up, cause all you said to me was wrong. I'll never leave you. I can't believe you think that of me. I wanna see you. I can't believe that you are mine, cause everybody knows that everybody goes away. Everybody knows that everybody goes away. I don't like to be the boy you fell in love with, cause you ain't mean this at all. And I don't like to be the one that built your heart up, cause all you said to me was wrong. But I da-da-da-da-da-da. But I da-da-da-da-da-da. But I da-da-da-da-da-da. But I da-da-da-da-da-da. And I don't like to be the boy you fell in love with, cause you ain't mean this at all. And I don't like to be the one that built your heart up, cause all you said to me was wrong. And now you're gone. Sweet, you guys are awesome. Oh, love you too. Let's see. Huh? Oh, you guys are sweethearts. Shyler? Oh, do you guys like Shannon? She'll be on in a little while. Let's see. This next song, oh, I love you too. This next song is not really older, but it was on my Nightmare repeat. You guys like that? Alright, this is called Nightmare. I might fuck this up. Look at us now, would we be proud? Didn't know we'd be screaming out loud just 3 years ago. You stole my soul. Let's not pretend I'm all you know. And if you ever leave, please leave my heart at home, cause every goddamn day feels like can't take it, 'cause the drugs are never good enough, and I can't pretend I'm hurt enough. So I guess I like it. Don't get a stand when we were friends, but I loved you more than I ever did just 3 years ago. You stole my soul. Can we pretend I'm all you know? And if you ever leave, please leave my heart at home. 'Cause every goddamn day feels like you're killing me over again.